Shields and Clovis.
This will be the number 1 lane approaching Clinton Avenue. Has a red light proceeding through the intersection about 40 miles an hour. Vehicle still continuing southbound Clovis, number 2 lane, coming up to McKinley, and setting up for southbound through McKinley, through a stale red.
It appears the vehicle must have gone southbound Clovis Avenue. That's where all the units are going, code 3.
10-4, calling Center 3, suspect at point, we don't have any units in the area yet.
Give it up. Vehicle's caught, it's trying to make a left turn onto Belmont, caught at the red light, southbound Clovis. It just hopped the median. It just made an eastbound turn onto Belmont from Clovis. It's going to be the number 2 lane. Alright, it's coming right onto Belmont from Manila. Right there. There it is, right there. It's setting up. You got it, right behind it. We're continuing on Belmont. We're going to be going westbound.
Westbound Belmont.
Tell that unit you'll call it.
Just stop.
E174, we'll call it. We're going to be westbound Belmont, coming back up towards Clovis.
Westbound Belmont, towards Clovis, 10-4, calling Center 3, do you have a plate?
It's proceeding through a red light. We're still continuing westbound Belmont from Clovis.
E1 1023 for a plate. Calling Center 3, go ahead.
Alright, and now we're going to be going the wrong way, northbound Maple from Belmont. Had a near collision, and going to be just north of Maple on Belmont, just north of Belmont on Maple.
Oh, partly disabled.
Northbound in the southbound lane, 10-4.
Alright, it's back on the correct side of the road. We're going to be continuing northbound Maple past White. Alright, and the vehicle's continuing northbound Maple from Olive. We got 1 unit behind it.
Right behind the vehicle, identify.
Northbound, wrong side of the road.
Tell them to back off the trail. Stay with them.
Zebra 654.
Eagle 1, we got it. We got units back off. We're going to be northbound Maple at McKinley. Pass through a red light, and we're set up westbound McKinley now from Maple.
29 is Becca on a 2016 unit recovering from westbound McKinley for Sonora.
From westbound McKinley from Maple. We're going to be in the number 2 lane. We're approaching first. It's just had a near collision, and it's in the middle of the intersection, McKinley and First. We're continuing westbound.
And Fresno. 11 or 10.
It's 11. Now going to be in the wrong side of traffic. Fresno and Shields continuing now westbound Shields to Fresno.
We're not going to engage, just spike.
The vehicle's now in the correct flow of traffic. It's going to be westbound Shields.
Vehicle corrected, westbound Shields.
Continuing, it's going north on north from Shields on a small industrial street.
Tom 49.
That's the Manchester Mall.
It's going to be at Manchester Mall.
Tom 49, 10-4.
Coming up to Dayton Avenue in front of Manchester Mall. And we're coming back out to Garland Avenue. It's going to be going eastbound Garland, back on the street.
I'm just following. It looks like he's going to lose his left rear tire.
Alright, he's going to be in the back parking lot. It's going to be just east of Abbey and south of Garland, back parking lot of Manchester.
He's got a leg bell on side, dude.
Traffic, 2 o'clock.
Alright, he's coming to a stop by a loading port. He's going to leg bail, and he's proceeding south into the mall. He's inside the mall. That's the only occupant exiting the vehicle.
Traffic, 12 o'clock.
I got traffic, dude. Stand by.
Mile.
All 11, Pulse heading 1022.
Go wide. Make it come off the backside.
11.
I know.
Mid. Our units made contact with him. I think it's the Bella Rose.
Sounds like they want to tase them.
They're taking him into custody now, I believe.
And we're taking him into custody.